This was my first ever Python project. I wasted 4 hours before writing a single line of code. No copy pasting, no tutorials holding my hand. Just a complete beginner figuring it out. Here's everything. So before starting the video, know me, I'm a teenager in class 11 studying PCM plus CS. I know some Java basics from school, but Python is completely new to me. And in this video, I'm showing everything. What software I used, the errors that hit me, and how finally I got it working. Nothing is cut out. So watch this video till the end. So the first problem was I didn't even know where to write the code. This took me 2 hours alone. Which app, which version, which Python. I had no idea. So after a long research, I came to the conclusion that code is written on VS Studio Code. And whatever software we are using like Python or Java, we need to install that software separately. But when I came to install Python software, I got slapped with thousands of versions of Python. Again, I wasted an hour thinking which Python software to download. Then finally I installed everything. And somewhere at R3, I genuinely wanted to quit. I hadn't written a single line yet. I think most beginners actually stop right here. But I just kept thinking about where I want to be someday. So I kept going. Then after all stressful hours, finally I sat down to write the code for the calculator. 3 things I learned in this project. First, in Java we write system.out.println just to print one line. But in Python, it's just print. Second, input. This is how Python asks the user to type something. Third, float. Without float, Python sees your number as text. If you type 5 plus 8, it gives 58, not 13. Float fixes that. That's day 1. Project 1 completed. It's basic, but I built it myself from scratch. Next video, I'm building something bigger. If you're starting from zero like me, subscribe. Let's figure it out together.